Alright, so now we will be learning how to write our own static methods. So now that we've seen how static variables work, and you can find these in the previous videos, let's look at how to write our own static methods. Now let's get the syntax out of the way first. Just like with variables, to create a static method, just use the static keyword in the method's definition. Just like with variables, this keyword usually comes after public or private. So you have public, static void, and then my first static method. Now, I do also want to note one thing quickly, is that you guys realize the main method has been static this whole time, so public static void main. And you can essentially use this main method as a reference guide when you're developing more static methods. Okay, so oftentimes you'll see static methods that are accessors or mutators for the static variables themselves. So for example, we have the public static int, my static variable, and then return static variable. So this is the accessor, and then the mutator is the public static void set my static variable, and then it basically sets it to the new variable or the new value. And one important rule to note is that static methods can't interact with non-static instance variables. To wrap your mind around this, consider why we use this when working with non-static instance variables. Let's say we have a dog class with a non-static instance variable named age. If we have a line of code like this.age equals 5, that means that we're setting the age of a specific dog equal to 5. However, if age were static, we would mean that the variable belongs to the entire class, not a specific object. The this keyword can't be used by a static method since static methods are associated with the entire class, not a specified object. So you cannot use a this keyword along with these static variables or methods. And if you try to mix this up with a static method, you'll see an error message non-static variable. This cannot be referenced from a static context. Now let's write a static method that prints the average amount of money in all vending machines in the system. So let's go here, average money. Average money. So, okay, the method name should be average money. It should be void since it doesn't return anything, and the method should print total money divided by num ATMs. Note that both of these variables are static. Okay, so we'll do public static void average money, and system.out print line, and we'll go ahead and print out the num or the total money divided by the num ATMs. Okay. After writing the method, call the method at the end of the main function. Recall that to use a static method, you'll need to use the name of the class to call the method, not the object. Okay, so then we'll go ahead and call ATM dot average money, and we have, oops, here we go, average money, and voila, cool, right? Now let's try to have average money interact with the non-static instance variable in average money. In average money, try to print this money, this dot money. Okay. So let me just go ahead and copy paste this, and then we'll print out this dot money, and then let's see. So we get an error. The exact same thing that they said up here, the exact same message. So there we go. And yeah, that's going to end it for this video. And we learned how to write our own static method using only static variables. So I'll see you in the next video, and have a great day.